We're at a North Bondi job. We're a couple of weeks away from handover. We've got some amazing stone from Worldstone coming in today. Come through and let's have a look. Bondi living at its best, outdoor in the sun here. It was a full alterations additions. We only kept the front and the side walls, and we added a whole nother level. Some of the original windows we've kept in the building. These curved stairs, key feature of the house as soon as you come through the front door, just really works. Justine Reef done such a great job. It's all happening here today. We've got the stone going on. Riley's putting it in the drain. Getting my hands dirty. You know, got to do it yourself sometimes. One of the key features of this house is the Savina Dolomite from Worldstone. Beautiful piece, and it really makes it finishes touches for the house. So let's see the boys put it in. There was a few challenges with the build. The build's done under a CDC, so you know there was a lot to comply with. We reduced the timeline for the owner and helped them with simplifying the design to keep it under budget and not the cost to blow out. We're here now going over all the finer details and get an amazing handover for the client.